Welcome, student. Now we will continue with this second lesson, that is graticule, use of graticule. So look at this picture first. We must understand the graticule and its application on the earth. Okay. So here is the picture. Here is a north pole and south pole. This is 0 longitude, and here we have different degrees that calculated on the earth. Okay, the top view, that is this line. Okay, it shows the region Antarctica, while the longitudes which is started from here is the 0 to 180 degree. Okay, 0 to 180 degree. In these portions we can again we can saw the latitudes. Okay, latitudes, that is at equatorial it is 0 degree, at equatorial region it is 0 degree, then from here it is 10 degree, then 20, then 30, 40, 50. Okay, so it goes upward with calculating degrees. We have to identify the position. Here we have Tropic of Cancer at the 23 degree 30 minutes north, 23 degree 30 minutes north. Okay, and Tropic of Capricorn at the 23 degree 30 minutes south of the equator. Okay, so here are the two hemispheres, and we calculate the different degrees on the surface of the earth. Okay, let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridians. Okay, all places between 23 degree and 30 minutes north and the south of equator perpendicular rays to in 2 days in a year. These areas are areas of earth never gets perpendicular rays. Other areas of earth never gets a perpendicular rays. The parallels at the 23 degree 30 north and the 23 degree 30 minutes south of equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So we already completed this point with the reading and having the more information about it. So here is the city, that is the Vatican City. This is the smallest country of the world. It spreads over area of 0.44 square kilometer. This country is located within Italy. Italy on the Italian peninsula. see the latitude. The latitudes extends this country. Uh, Look at this figure that Vatican City is spread uh, 12 degree 21 minutes 30 seconds east, okay, to up to 12 degree 21 minutes east, and to the north it is spread with 41 degree 54 minutes 30 seconds north, uh, to 41 degrees 54 minutes north. Okay, it is in the north hemisphere. This country is situated in the Italy. So so here we completed this lesson. Now students, do this exercise given below and send me a photograph of this exercise. Okay. Now let us start this lesson third, comparing a globe and a map, that is field visit, semicolon field visit, that is. Okay, the friends, we have seen how meridian and parallels are drawn on a globe. uh, we have also learned how they will determine determine the locations on the globe. To understand, in this lesson, let us compare a map and a globe and understand the difference between them. Okay. So here is the picture of our nation and map of India. Okay, country. From this side, this point up to this point, we have a coastal line whole. Okay, and from upper side we share our boundaries with different countries. Okay. Let us start with the reading. A field visit, uh, is an important method to studying the geography. Field visit helps us to understand the geographical and social conditions of the places. Moreover, it proves uh, an opportunity to directly interact with the local people, understand their problem. Geography Museum. Artha is a largest operational globe in the world. It is housed at the Yarmouth of the state. Look at, sorry, we already crossed due to this mobile. It is inconvenience. with the help, here we have only field visit and field work informations. Look at this, the two dimensional and three dimensional of the globe. Okay, the surface have two dimensions, length and width. Surface, only surface have length and width, is called as a two dimensional. Paper, blackboard, table, tabletop, land, etc. Three dimensional, 3D. The object having three dimensional such as length, width, height is called as a three dimensional, such as a duster, box, glass, pot, hill, a moon, etc. Here is the museum, the Yarmouth, in the states of America. Student, you have to we already learn about this globe. You have to do this exercise. If you found any difficulty, you can share it with me on my personal number. Okay.